It's possible to take video that you've recorded in Screencastify and put it into Google Classroom. I'd encourage you to watch Sarah Cox's video on Screencastify. I'll put the link down in the bottom of this YouTube video. So it's very simple to add a Screencastify video once you've recorded it into Google Classroom. So the first thing I'll do is start a post, and I will click the add button here. Now, Screencastify automatically saves files to Google Drive. So if I click on the Google Drive button and then click under My Drive, so you'll see here in my folders, I have a folder labeled Screencastify. So all of the recordings that you do in Screencastify are saved here. And once I have that, I will be able to choose any video that I want. In this case, let's say I wanted this video here. I'll click on Add, and then I'm just able to hit Post, and now my video is shared with my Google Classroom.